Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Fortnite client and platform are fully updated and make sure your account is in good standing. Next, inspect your network, test latency, NAT type, and whether ports or DNS are being blocked by your ISP or router. Finally, note if you are using a VPN, make sure you understand Epic Games' VPN policy so you don't attempt actions that violate terms. Once done, you'll be ready to proceed with safe configuration steps. Now you address the middle steps: power cycle your modem and router, update router firmware, and inspect port forwarding or firewall rules that could interrupt sessions. Then temporarily disable the VPN and test connectivity using a public DNS like 1 or 8 to isolate whether the VPN causes the kick. Collect client logs and a simple network trace with timestamps so you can show reproducible failures. These diagnostics don't bypass protections. They give you clear evidence to fix the root cause. To finish, reproduce the issue without a VPN so you have a clean test case. Then compile logs, timestamps, and your ISP/router details. Submit those to Epic Games support and ask for an account or session review. Make sure to explain the steps you already took. If the problem persists, try a different legitimate network, mobile hotspot, or another ISP, and involve your ISP if packets are being dropped. If you run into trouble, one key tip: never attempt workarounds that violate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.